Today's story is about more than just speaking English. It's about showing your true feelings with your words. Real communication happens when people can feel what you mean, not only hear what you say. Let's listen to the story of Maya and how she learned to show her true feelings in English. Maya was a young woman from India. She had studied English for many years. She could read books, write essays, and even talk with people in English. Her grammar was correct and she knew many words. Still, something was missing. Whenever Maya spoke English, people understood her words, but they did not always understand her feelings. One day, Maya told her friend in English, "I am sad," but her voice was flat and her face showed no feelings. Her friend smiled and said, "Oh, okay." Inside, Maya felt hurt. She was truly sad, but her friend thought she was only a little upset. That night, Maya sat on her bed and thought, "I know the words, but I don't know how to show my heart in English. I don't just want to speak. I want people to feel what I feel." The next day, Maya searched for videos of native English speakers. She listened carefully. She noticed how their voices moved like music. Sometimes the voice went high, sometimes low. When someone said, "Oh, really?" with a bright, fast voice, it sounded like surprise. But when they said the same words slowly and low, it sounded like doubt or even boredom. Maya practiced in front of her mirror. She said, "Oh, really?" in different tones: happy, sad, angry, surprised. At first, she laughed at how strange she sounded. But then she realized something important. Words are the body, and tone is the soul. Later, Maya went to a cafe and decided to watch people speaking English. She saw how they used their hands when they spoke. She noticed how people raised their eyebrows when they were surprised or nodded slowly when they understood something serious. She even saw how a smile could change the whole meaning of a sentence. Without words, emotions were still clear. Maya started copying these actions in front of her mirror at home. It felt a little strange at first, but slowly it became natural. She understood that body language is a second language and it works together with English words. One day in class, Maya's teacher said, "I was over the moon when I got the job." Maya looked up at the ceiling, confused. She thought her teacher was talking about the sky. Then she laughed when she realized it was an idiom. It meant very happy. Maya began collecting idioms in a notebook. She wrote down walking on eggshells, feeling nervous or careful, spill the beans, share a secret, butterflies in my stomach, feeling nervous but excited. When Maya used these idioms with her classmates, they smiled. Her English started to sound more natural, colorful, and alive. Maya also worked on learning the right emotional words. She found that angry, upset, annoyed, and frustrated were all different. Annoyed was for small problems like a buzzing mosquito. Frustrated was for bigger problems like when her laptop froze during her online test. Upset was for feeling sad or worried. Angry was a strong feeling like when someone is treated unfairly. Maya practiced using each word in the right situation. Soon her sentences became more clear and full of meaning. One evening, Maya went to a friend's birthday party. A friend told a funny story and Maya laughed loudly with her whole face. Another friend shared some sad news and Maya's eyes softened as she gently said, "I'm really sorry to hear that." For the first time, her friends felt her emotions, not just her words. They looked at her with warmth. Maya smiled. She was no longer only speaking English, she was living it. English is more than grammar and vocabulary. True communication needs tone, body language, idioms, and emotional words. Like Maya, if you practice these skills, you will not just speak English, you will connect with people heart to heart beyond words. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one.